Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 21. We are counting the days here now, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for Cookmas, where I've been giving you guys daily videos for the holiday season of the month of December. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make one of the classic pies and turn it into an easy to eat treat. We're going to go ahead and make some pecan pie bars. So this dessert recipe tastes just like a pecan pie, but it's easy to eat in bar form. So they're great for the holidays or any time of the year. These are going to be the ingredients that we are going to be using to make these wonderful pecan pie bars. They have this wonderful shortbread crust and then a sweet filling, of course, topped with pecans. So if you do love you a nice pecan pie or pecan pie, you are definitely going to love these little treats. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so these are the pecan pie bars. They turned out well. We've got that homemade buttery shortbread crust on the bottom. And then we also have that wonderful pecan pie filling that tastes just like a pecan pie. There's no difference in this. We just went ahead and made it in a different shape versus the pie. Went ahead and topped it with some ice cream, of course, so we could have pie a la mode, which is the best way to eat this. You can eat it any way, but I definitely recommend try it with some ice cream. It is delicious. Gives you all the tasty flavors of a pecan pie. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if pecan pie is one of your favorites. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.